Hi guys! My name is Laila and welcome once again sa aking YouTube channel. Sa araw na ito ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung papaano mo ma-access ang iyong My.SSS Online Account gamit ang iyong cellphone. Kung ikaw ay isang private sector employee, self-employed, voluntary member o OFW, gusto mo bang malaman kung papaano nga ba makikita yung mga contributions mo sa SSS at member data records mo gamit ang iyong mobile phone? Kung oo, please continue watching. May hinanda nga pala akong tutorial para makapag-register ka na sa My.SSS at makita ang iyong member data records at iba pa gamit lamang ang iyong mobile phone. Simulan na natin! So, type natin www.sss.gov.ph. Yan, mapupunta ka sa page na to. Yan, tapos, dito may tatlong guhit sa taas ng phone ninyo. So, click nyo desktop type. And then, dito, merong I'm not a robot. So, click natin yan. So, click submit. And then, sa gilid, makikita nyo member, employer. Yan, so small business. Okay. Wage subsidy program. So, click natin yung member. So, antay natin mag-load. So, here, makikita nyo yung member login. Kung member ka na, enter mo lang yung username and then yung password mo. And then, click mo tong I'm not a robot and then click submit. So, since magre-register pa lang tayo, ito yung i-click natin, not yet registered in My.SSS. So, pag-click natin yan guys, so meron ditong you can select one information as reported to SSS to register. So, yung una dyan, savings account number, Citibank cash card, UBP quick card, UMID ATM savings account number registered in SSS. Yung pangalawa, yung mobile number registered in SSS. So, pwede mo itong gamitin para makapag-register. Yung pangatlo, yung UMID card mo. Yung pang-apat, yung employer ID number or household employer ID number. So, yung panglima naman, payment reference number, SBR number, payment receipt, transaction number. So, tingnan natin tong una, yung savings account number. So, pag-click nyo yan, supply nyo lang yung information na kailangan, kagaya ng SSS number, email address, so kukonfirm nyo lang yung email address ninyo, yung preferred user ID, so 8 to 20 characters siya, yung first character must be alphabetic, and then no special characters except yung ganyan, yung Juan _ Cruz 1234, so pwede yan, yung pangalan ninyo _ apelido ninyo, and then combination of numbers. Confirm nyo lang yung prepared user ID number ninyo, and then importante dyan yung last name, given name, middle name, date of birth, yung address syempre, yan. And then ito, yung kanina nga, yung savings account number, Citibank cash card account number, UBP quick card account number, UMID ATM savings account number registered in SSS. Supply nyo lang yan. And then, enter nyo dito yung code na makikita nyo sa taas. Okay, usually may code dyan sa taas. After nyan, click I accept the terms of service and then click submit. And then same lang kung gusto nyo gamitin yung mobile number or mobile number registered in SSS para makapag-register, supply nyo lang yung needs and so on and so forth sa UMID card, employer ID number, and then payment reference number. After nung successful registration nyo, mag-i-email naman si SSS kagaya nung nakikita nyo sa screen ng SSS website registration. So, nakalagay dyan, you have successfully registered in the SSS website. So, bibigyan kayo ng user ID and then yung password na in-enter nyo kanina or doon sa form. And that's it, ma-access nyo na yung account ninyo. Kapag may user ID and password na kayo, punta lang kayo sa website ni SSS, and that is sss.gov.ph from phone ninyo. And then pag-click ninyo ng user ID and password ninyo, ito naman yung makikita ninyo: home, member info, inquiry, e-services, payment reference number or PRN, and then log out. So para makita nyo yung contributions ninyo, so hover nyo lang yung mouse ninyo sa inquiry. So under inquiry, makikita nyo benefits and then contributions. So yan, i-click nyo lang yung contributions. So yan, makikita nyo na yung contributions ninyo, yung total number of contributions displayed, total number of contributions not displayed, and then total number of contributions posted, and then total amount of contributions. So yung kanina through the web browser, ngayon through the mobile app naman, pwede nyo i-download ang My.SSS sa Google Play, App Gallery, and App Store. So kapag na-download nyo na siya, yan, mag-a-ask ng user ID and then password, and then click sign in. So ayan guys, kapag na-access na ninyo yung inyong My.SSS through mobile app, gamit syempre yung inyong phone, ay makikita nyo yung my information, my loans, generate PRN SOA, my contributions, my benefits, maternity notification. So since sa video na to, it's all about my contributions, yan, i-click nyo yung my contributions, and that's it. Makikita na ninyo yung mga nahulog ninyo sa SSS. Thank you guys sa panonood sa video na to. I hope makatulong to kung naguhulog ka din sa SSS gaya ko. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, please comment lang, at kung may gusto kayong i-tutorial ko next time, please comment at gagawin ko yung best ko.